What is up, guys? Today we are playing I Am Cat. I'm a cat. Yeah, so basically we're playing I Am Cat. Yeah, even though it's an AI game studio, it's still a fun game. Today I'm gonna be exploring all the maps with you. Maybe going to a multiplayer lobby. People are online. And I'll be exploring the map, see if you want I Am Cat, and see if you think it's worth it to watch this video, and we're just going to be playing around with the 4 maps I have. Or it depends if they gave me any new maps. Let's begin. Oh yeah. Let's see what stuff we have. I'm not going to go right now. Yeah, they do have a new mill. Let's hope. I want to look all the locations when these come out. Also, if you buy that, you'll unlock every single one of these when they come out. Yeah, first we're gonna go with Granny's house, and then what's the closest up to that? The garage, mill, street, and the butcher store. They have a rocket ship, I think I saw, so maybe when that comes out, we can go to space. Go eat breakfast. My grandma makes me feed myself. Jilly fills up my food anymore. Could save this for later. Let's eat. What a great meal. There we go. Now it's time for my daily hijinks. What should I break today? Oh yeah, my grandma wants to quit drinking because I'm a Christian. So let me see if I can get her to stop. Hey Granny, what I'm about to do? Oh, do the wrestling. You mad? You mad, Granny? So, my dad actually dropped me off at my grandma's house. And I don't know why, but we're out of gorilla tag. I'm joking. Cat life. Cat life. Okay, guys. Grandma's not mad. I'm gonna. You ain't mad? Oh, I guess she ain't mad. I don't know. I left it there. Do that. No, no, dude. Mouse. Seriously, why did you do this to me? I was just that child. Grandma, you need to stop. But I'll stop with my addiction. You better. You know what? Give me these. Nope. Breaking my dentures. I guess I did. Let's see. Ah! Grandma. Okay, your glasses. I'll go. You know what? Hey, son. What are you doing to your grandma? See you on the camera. Nothing, Dad. That's all with Granny's house. Can I go to Granny's? Hey, Dad, can I go to Granny's garage? Well, no. Your grandpa, or, I mean, uncle, is working on this. Anything. No one is allowed to be in there besides your grandpa and grandma. Or, I mean, uncle and grandma. So, I'm in Gorilla Tag universe right now. I'll pick you up soon, okay? I'm doing a very important job for our 800 subscribers coming up, even though we only have 700 right now. I'll reveal it at 800. 800. You can't even know, okay? Okay. I'm still going anyway.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
What? No, no, he's catching me. What? No! So we're working power tools. Hey, you're capturing me. Hey, get me out. Hey, I'm a police. Get in here. Hey, he chained me. He glued me in here. I can't get out. Help. Ah. What? You glued him into your grandma's car? Front? How dare you? I'm never letting him go over to the garage again. Even though he broke in there, you didn't have to do that. But he's my cat. He's also Oliver's. We share his name. I'm not telling them their name or to let him out. No. You're being a jerk right now. Seriously. Unglue him before I get there or you're dead. No? Okay, I'm coming. I'm suing you. I'm suing you. What? No. Yes, I can. I'm going to Oliver's house right now. And